Okay, so what's going on with your chair is these iLevels have sensors on them to lower the speed when you raise the chair up. The sensor is actually right here. It's in between the drive wheel and the plastic shroud. There is a little white sensor that I'm clicking right here. I don't know if you can zoom in on that. That white, what that does is it hits this circular pad right here when I raise the chair up. You'll see it when I'm going to raise the chair up now, and you'll see this white pad actually, or that pad move up and actually hit that little white sensor, and it clicks the sensor in when you go up. And so when you come down, you'll see this pad move away from that sensor. When it gets almost all the way to the bottom, you'll see that and see how it moves away from that sensor. On the back side of this circular black pad, there's a little screw back there. Sometimes you can twist it with your hand. Other times you got to take a little screw and loosen that nut up. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow this pad to come farther, closer to the sensor. I don't know if it's on this side or if it's on the other side, but what you can do to test it is you can raise your chair up, and when it's in the up position, you can have your aide come over here and click that white sensor and hold it in. If she clicks it and it holds it in and the air goes away, well, that's the side you have to fix. If not, try the other side. You might have to take the wheel off to be able to get an Allen screw in there to be able to twist that, but maybe not, because it is tight. It is tight in there. You might have to take the batteries out and come from the inside of the chair, which I don't know if you can either. You might have to take this wheel off, which could be, kind of hard for somebody to do. But that is what's causing it, is this little sensor right here. It's either on this side or on the other side that's causing it. It's not hitting, and it's telling your chair it's out of balance.